art explorers, I was wondering, has this ever happened to you where you're drawing a drawing or painting a painting and you kind of always draw the same drawing or paint the same painting, like you use the same colors, or you always make a rainbow? And not that there's anything wrong with that at all, because who doesn't love a good rainbow? But today's video, which is geared a little more for my 4th and 5th graders, although anybody, of course, can watch it and learn something. So today we're talking about color theory. Let's get started.
All right, the basics, and you all know this. There are 3 colors that make up any other color. They are called the primary colors, and those colors are blue and red and yellow. I'm using crayons to make these secondary colors, the same colors that made the primary colors, like blue and yellow make green, red and blue make purple, and red and yellow make orange. Easy peasy. You know the secondary colors. Now get ready for the tertiary colors. When you combine a primary color and a secondary color, you get a tertiary color. Sometimes those intermediate or tertiary colors have a different name, like a blue with green in it, like you see there, could be called teal or turquoise or blue-green. This red violet could be called red violet or maroon. And similarly with this color, a yellow with orange with more yellow, yellow-orange. The primary color name always comes first when you're naming a tertiary or intermediate color. And the words tertiary and intermediate can be used interchangeably. That means you could say it's either tertiary or it's intermediate, and you are right both ways. Let's see how those tertiary colors look on the color wheel. And remember, I'm just using a crayon to make these tertiary colors. It's a lot of layering, and sometimes to make colors darker, the thing I need to do is just press a little harder. So you can see I'm layering in colors with my crayons. And even though you might be in 4th or 5th grade, crayons are still a really good tool to use to get some really great colors. If you have oil pastels at home, try blending those together. Markers might work. Paint for sure works, but I wanted to show that even something as simple as a crayon could layer all those colors. In a minute, you'll see that we don't just have primary colors and secondary colors. We end up with 12 different colors around this color wheel. Yellow, yellow-orange, orange, red-orange, red, red-violet, violet, blue-violet, blue, blue-green, green, and yellow-green. That is, holy smokes, 12 different colors. Thinking to yourself, Mrs. Blair, you told us you were going to help us understand how to use different colors in our drawings. Well, now we come to the color theory part. And a new word, analogous. Analogous means 2 or 3 colors that are next to each other on the color wheel. We know if we use those colors that are next to each other on the color wheel, if we use those colors together in a work of art, those colors are going to be harmonious. They are going to work really well together. Let me show you a work of art that I did with 3 colors that are analogous. Here's a drawing that I made with some analogous colors, green, light green, and yellow. And you can see as I'm making this landscape, which is a painting or a drawing of the land, all of those colors look really great together because they are analogous. And I even spied these analogous colors on my walk yesterday. So for today's challenge, I want to challenge you to pick 3 colors that are next to each other on the color wheel and make a drawing or a painting with just those 3 colors and see what you can come up with. I would love to see it. Make sure to share your images and good luck creating. Bye.